Hi all, Carol here. Welcome to the channel. I know that sometimes picking out colors can be difficult. You're not sure exactly what's going to go with each one. You know what you like, but are they all going to work together? So I thought I'd give you a simple tip on one way of deciding what colors you're going to use. So get yourself a piece of wax paper or parchment paper. They both work well. Something that the paint will sit on top of, won't get absorbed. And get all your colors together and start figuring out which ones you think will go well together. So I'm going to put bronze first down on this side. I like the metallics. I think gold will go well together. Yep, so far. I have this unbleached titanium white, which is a beige. I love that one. It's a light color. I'm going to try the brown next to it because I think these would look good. So I like that. I could do a ring pour with it. I can do other things with it. I'm going to start with the blues. I'm going to put this light blue next to it. I'm going to use white. Oops, went over it a bit, but that's okay. I still have the colors there. And a dark blue. Those look good together. And then I like red. It's a daring color to use, but it's very good. I'm going to put white next to it. That will tend to make a pink if they blend. I think I'm going to put this magenta next, and I have silver. That's the last one I have here, and I'm going to put that next to it. So I have those groupings. I like all three of them, and I think I'll get a canvas and start using them. So, going to get the cups out, going to get the canvases out, and go for it. You too can do that. This is how I choose my colors. Please let me know in the comments below how you go about choosing yours. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and have a great day.